Humans are finding way to travel to all the neighboring planets in our solar system. Science had sent probes to the space to find out the secrets of space. But what about falling into a planet on the way through space? Today, we are going to discuss about what will happen if you follow the planet Neptune. Welcome back. This is Signature's Life. As a gas giant, Neptune has no solid surface. In fact, the blue-green disk we have all seen in the photographs over the years is actually a bit of an illusion. What we see is actually the tops of some very deep gas clouds, which in turn give way to water and other melted ices that lie over an approximately Earth-sized core made of silicate rock and a nickel-iron mix. If a person were to attempt to stand on Neptune, they would sink through the gaseous layers. As they descended, they would experience increased temperatures and pressures until they finally touched down on the solid core itself. That being said, Neptune does have a surface of sorts, which is defined by astronomers as being the point in the atmosphere where the pressure reaches 1 bar. Because of this, Neptune's surface is one of the most active and dynamic places in the entire solar system. Also, like Uranus, Neptune's internal structure is differentiated between a rocky core consisting of silicate and metals, a mantle of consisting water, ammonia and methane ices, and an atmosphere consisting of hydrogen, helium and methane gas. Its atmosphere is also divided into 4 layers, consisting of from innermost to outermost, the lower troposphere, the stratosphere, the thermosphere, and the exosphere. Neptune's surface can therefore be said to be composed of about 80% hydrogen and 90% helium, with a trace amount of methane. The surface layer is also permeated by roaming bands of clouds with varying compositions, depending on altitude and pressure. At the upper level, temperatures are suitable for methane to condense, and the pressure conditions are such that clouds consisting of ammonia, ammonium sulfide, hydrogen sulfide, and water can exist. Even though Neptune is much further from the Sun than Uranus and receives 40% less sunlight, its surface temperature is about the same. In fact, Neptune gives off 2.6 times more energy than it takes it from the Sun. Even without the Sun, Neptune glows. This high amount of interior heat matched with the coolness of space creates a huge temperature difference, and this sets the winds blasting around Neptune. Maximum wind speeds on Jupiter can be more than 500 km per hour. That's twice the speed of the strongest hurricanes on Earth. But that's nothing compared to Neptune. Astronomers have calculated winds blasting across the surface of Neptune at 2,100 km per hour. Deep down inside Neptune, the planet might have an actual solid surface. At the very core of the gas or ice giant is thought to be a region of rock, with roughly the mass of the Earth. The temperatures at this region would be thousands of degrees, hot enough to melt rock, and the pressure from the weight of all the atmosphere would be crushing. In short, there is simply no way one could stand on the surface of Neptune, let alone walk around on it.